Hello and welcome to the weekly predictions. This week we'll again be following the same pattern that we've been doing in the past, like pulling a card from Tarot deck and at the same time pulling a card each from Healing with the Angels and Angel Guidance card as well in terms of guidance. We've recently crossed Easter, and I'm sure everyone would be in a celebration mode, a mode that also defines that good always wins over evil. So, uh, taking a lesson, taking a leaf out of the event that we recently closed, let's go ahead and have the weekly prediction cards. And here I pull the card for the week from Tarot deck and Healing with the Angel deck. Well, looking at the cards, I immediately get a feel that this is a week where one needs to have patience, one needs to have a little bit of contentment. Keep an eye, keep a watchful eye as to what exactly you want to achieve in future. In terms of financial aspects, this is a week that is definitely going to help you, but then you will have to hold your nerves, you will have to have patience. And if you have that patience, it definitely will be fruitful. There are chances of on-site trip. I mean, when I say on-site trip, it could well be a small one as well, a pretty business kind of a thing for all those working professionals. There could well also be chances that one might even find a way to go ahead and have a small holiday, a small break from work. All those who have been working for quite some time, and rightly so. It's the month of April. Quite a few people would have completed the entire financial year, would have dedicated almost each and every day towards closing the financial year, and this could definitely well be a right move to go ahead and take a break. So hold your nerves, have patience. You might well have couple of opportunities coming your way, wherein it could help you in terms of growing. Uh, do remember that this is a week that could also bring a little bit of confusion in your life. When I say confusion, it basically means for all those who are into professional world, could well be a situation that you already have an opportunity. Then at the same time, you might also get couple of opportunities where you'll get confused as to which is the one that you need to pick. And at this particular time, the best thing to do is introspect. Just sit quietly at a place, look forward for guidance from within, ask yourself as to what exactly you want, which is the one that you should go ahead and pick out of all the ones that you have been having for quite some time. So this is basically what is in store in this week. At the same time, it also indicates that you should go ahead and have uh, a celebration mode. So there could well be chances for with quite a few that you would have been putting a lot of effort for quite some time and not getting the best outcome of it, not getting the best result of it. And but then this is the week that could go ahead and give you all the good results. This is the week that could help you celebrate stuff. This is the week that could help you bring more opportunities your way. It's just that you need to have patience and uh, watch watch your steps, be peaceful, be patient, and you definitely will achieve. These are the cards that we have for this particular week. In terms of looking for guidance, um, the card basically indicates, it says that hold your nerves. Again, taking one step ahead of the prediction, hold your nerves, miracles are about to happen. So if you have been looking forward for something to materialize for quite some time, if you have been putting a lot of effort for quite some time, miracles will definitely happen. Guidance is that you need to have patience. As I said during the prediction as well, you need to have patience, and you have to you have to be holding your nerves, and that's when you'll go ahead and see things changing in your life. That's when you'll go ahead and see things happening and things coming your way. Do remember one thing that I always suggest all my clients or all those people who actually talk to me quite often about any kind of guidance. I always suggest that do practice meditation. The more you meditate, the happier you will be, and the better answers you'll get from within. Enjoy, have a great week. This is the card for guidance. So do keep waiting for miracles, and as I said, enjoy. Um, spread the happiness, and that's how you'll experience it more. So keep spreading the happiness, keep smiling. It makes the world a better place to live in. And do remember one specific guidance from my side: do practice to plant a tree. One tree a year would definitely change a lot. I don't say that go ahead and plant one tree every month. When you start with one year, you definitely gain confidence and you definitely move forward in the best possible way. That's how it is. Enjoy, have a lovely life, have a life filled with love, laughter, and happiness. Take care. God bless.